Ready for more warmth and more wind. Chief Meteorologist Joe Diaz has the forecast.
Yeah, we're in for a pretty mild stretch of the days ahead, so take advantage of it. As we get to the early part of next week, we're looking for very strong winds to hit the area and some limited showers as well. So day by day warming, that'll take us through the weekend. Stronger impact winds on Tuesday. That could definitely interrupt your outdoor plans as we get into the afternoon. Then scattered rain and mountain snow and colder conditions will follow it. Now, as we look at the overall situation, we had this front move on through the area, slightly cooler daytime highs, but temperatures still around average most areas of New Mexico. Tomorrow we'll have a few clouds stream across the area, but still mild, and that mild trend with daytime highs edging up a little bit will continue on into the first part of the weekend. As we look at your planner for Friday, 31 degrees, 7 o'clock in the morning. As we get into the afternoon, winds will be on the light side. There will be a decent amount of sunshine around, mixed in with some partly cloudy skies at times. Now, as we look at what we're expecting for Friday, statewide, you see that cold start on the day and then a steady warming trend as we stop off around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see temperatures are warm in spite of the fact that we have some partly cloudy skies streaming through the area. We get into a little bit more sunshine, a little bit more warmth on your Saturday. And then look at Sunday. Sunday, the breezes are going to come up. These will be warm breezes out of the west for us. So this will again be the warmest temperatures we're expecting so far in 2022. This will be the warmest one for the end of your weekend. The breezes will be up there. But look at that, 87 degrees on Sunday for the area around Carlsbad. Now, we told you about strong winds early next week, and it looks like many areas by Tuesday will have 40, 50, 60 mile per hour winds, and potentially damaging winds could be possible across the eastern slopes of the Central Mountain Chain on into eastern parts of New Mexico and southern areas as well. So that's going to be a rough wind day with some limited rain and snow across the area. So partly cloudy skies in the Four Corners region for tomorrow, and we'll see temperatures getting into the 60s, and then a few showers increasing Monday on into Tuesday, along with some stronger winds there in areas of blowing dust around that I-10 corridor. We'll be working on into southwestern parts of New Mexico. So enjoy your weekend, because come Monday, the winds will increase and the showers will start to kick up across the area as well. Southeast, partly cloudy skies, comfortable. Look at that, 57 over in Ruidoso and 66 for Hobbs, back into the 80s by Sunday in Roswell, and the strongest winds will be on Tuesday, and that's when I think we're going to have a lot of wind advisories, high wind warnings across the state. Northeastern parts of New Mexico will be quiet for a couple of days from the areas from the East Mountains on into northeastern parts of New Mexico. Then a stretch of windy days with the strongest, most potentially damaging winds being on your Tuesday. The northern mountains will have partly cloudy skies, comfortable conditions, cold start giving way to milder conditions in the afternoon. Breezes will kick you up to 60 degrees in Santa Fe on Sunday. Clouds thicken, winds increase Monday, and stronger winds with some showers around for Tuesday. So partly cloudy skies across the metro area. Daytime highs warming into the 50s and 60s, and the 7-day forecast checks out like this. We're in for above normal temperatures for Friday, Saturday, then the warmest temps so far of the year Sunday. Not as comfortable Monday as those winds turn stronger in the afternoon, and really they could be gusting 45, 50 miles an hour on Tuesday. So that's probably a day that's going to want to stay inside as you get into Tuesday afternoon, and windy and colder. It looks like it's going to be a very blustery day for Wednesday. So this I think you like.
Sunday. Look at that.
70.
But this, I don't
know. Like that. Well, we don't care about that. If you stand, we're good. There you go. Nice job.
Okay.
Joe's